What's going down, y'all? It's Big Piph, the hip-hop adventurer. I'm excited to tell you about my new series, The Glow.
Here I celebrate, 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 I celebrate.
It has something special. I learned that on Project Runway. A look is only good if it keeps on giving you something.
Hey, good health starts in the mind. Be mental, be thoughtful of what you eat, what you drink, how you speak.
Don't judge your day by your fruits, but by the seeds you're planting.
In this series, I get to talk to some amazing creators and entrepreneurs that I know or have heard about, dig into their inspiration, and see how they let it shine into the world.
It's getting people to understand the value of art.
And it just clicked.
Yeah.
I just leaned into my language, wrote and arranged songs day in and day out.
That there's so much greatness just in who you are.
That's a purpose. That's something that's for the greater good of everybody.
Y'all be sure to check out The Glow on Arkansas PBS.
I celebrate.